Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Now I know that you guys have been asking how I tie my turban, and I decided that today I was going to show you guys. It's not perfect because this one is much bigger than the ones that I usually use, but nothing has to be perfect. I just wanted to show you guys how I did my turban, and you also wanted to see a look that could go with the turban as well. So I came up with this one today for you, and I do hope you like it. I have sort of a cranberry pinkish, outer corner with gold in here, and some nude lips, of course, because I've been feeling nude lips so much lately. So I came up with this look. The big hoops, of course, it goes perfectly with turbans. So yeah, I do hope you like it, you guys. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know, if you'd rock this kind of look, if you like turbans when you're having a bad hair day, and so on and so forth. Don't forget to turn your notifications on. Okay, don't forget to turn your notifications on, because if you don't, you will miss videos from me. So make sure that you click that bell down below. Subscribe guys. We have been stagnant. Let's grow this channel, please. I'm asking you, go ahead and subscribe. And what else? Follow me on all social media. They are linked down below in the description box, so go ahead and follow me on all social media. And yeah, if you like this look, thumbs up, of course. Why not? You like it, so give it a thumbs up. So I do hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and if you have any suggestions down below of videos you want to see in the future, don't forget to comment down below as well. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.